Now this is a follow-up video. Now that we've got the road finished, it looks a lot different than it did before. We'll got a load of gravel on here. Nice crown. Should keep the water off now. Cleaned out the culvert. Cleaned up most of the vines. At least the water can get through now. I put this riprap here to keep sediment, silt and sediment from getting into the culvert. But if you go back and watch the previous video, you can tell there's a lot different. Get down here, you can see, and this is the 360 camera, so you should be able to scroll around and look at the whole area. A lot of work, and the whole neighborhood, all my neighbors, we all chipped in what they could do, what they were good at, and the money, of course, for the gravel. So we got a bit of cleanup to do here still, but it's not bad. And I've talked to the owner of this property over here about her fence is coming down and the trees are tearing it up. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hey, give a comment if you have anything to say about this. Appreciate it. Thanks.